Can I choose my own repair shop when filing a third-party claim? Imagine getting into a car accident and wondering if you can pick the shop to fix your vehicle. When you file a third-party auto insurance claim, this question often comes up. The good news is, yes, you generally can choose your own repair shop. Insurance companies cannot legally force you to use a specific shop, even if they suggest or prefer certain ones. You have the right to pick any reputable mechanic or body shop you trust for repairs after an accident caused by someone else. In the process of third-party claims, you file against the at-fault driver's insurance. An insurance adjuster will assess the damage and determine who is responsible. Once fault is confirmed, the insurer may offer to pay for repairs directly to a shop or reimburse you after you pay. They might recommend shops within their network, called a direct repair program, but you are not required to use those. You can choose a shop outside their network if you prefer. Keep in mind, the insurer may ask for multiple repair estimates to verify costs and prevent inflated bills. They will compare your chosen shop's estimate with their adjuster's assessment. If you pick a shop outside their network, the insurance company might send the payment directly to you instead of the shop. This could affect how quickly your repairs start and finish. Choosing your own shop also means checking on warranties and services. Shops recommended by insurers often offer guarantees, like lifetime warranties on repairs, and have streamlined billing with the insurer. If you pick your own, ask about warranty coverage and ensure the shop's reputation for quality work. Repair timelines can be affected too. Using a shop within the insurer's network might speed things up because of established relationships, but it's not a requirement. You can take your vehicle to any trusted repair shop, and the insurance process will still work. So, in simple terms, yes, you can choose your own repair shop when filing a third-party claim. Just remember to get clear estimates, understand how payments will be handled, and confirm the shop's reliability. This way, you can make the best choice for your vehicle and peace of mind.